Hey there, everybody. It's me, your buddy Dave, the host of the Dark Stuff channel here on YouTube. Thanks a lot for checking out my latest. So this one's just a little side departure. I've been neck deep in these long-term projects that I'm doing right now. So I thought I'd take a little side trip into the world of my two ride or die roommates, Blackie and Nico. Now, those of you who watch my channel know that I've tried to incorporate these two girls into the channel somehow. I mean, hell, cat content gets millions and millions of views on all the social media platforms. Cats just have to do something interesting, and like, I can't get mine to do anything interesting if whatsoever. What you're looking at is my cat playing with this game, which after she got bored of doing after about 10 minutes, then destroyed that middle piece. It just tore it all to shreds. Anyways, folks, today's video is we're gonna take a trip to the Grand Feline Hotel and Salon, and I took my cat Blackie there to get her nails trimmed. The only reason this is interesting, because I don't actually show the nail trim, is to see the way this cat kind of loses her shit in the car and makes it seem like it's the worst thing in the absolute world. This is what I have to put up with just to transport this cat. Okay, I'm leaving the house. You can hear how upset this cat is. Listen to this. I mean, like she's being tortured or something. We're just going to get her nails clipped. This is going to take 5 minutes once we get there, but she does truly hate the car. So I feel for her, but I'm sorry, Blackie.
Go past these lights, then use the right lane to keep right to merge onto I-80 West.
Hi, Blackie. I'm back. Okay. I know, we're very close. I think this is back here. Yeah. There it is. The Grand Feline Hotel and Salon. Yeah, I know, we're here. You're excited, I can tell, but okay, I mean, you're being really good here in the car. I guess you understand, like, you're going home now because you've already gotten out and gotten back in. I figured you were pretty smart. I mean, you know, I picked you out, and when I did, I sensed a certain level of intellect there. For 4 years I wasn't sure, but now I think I figured it out. You actually do understand. You carry on at the beginning because you think I'm going to turn around and go back or whatever, but then, and maybe you fear the worst, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really sure. I don't know what the worst would be. I mean, you've only really ever had vet exams. You get a shot, you know, and in this case, and then they're afraid to clip your nails. These girls over over at the cat salon, they didn't give a shit. They were just like, okay, one person, 2 seconds. That was all it took. All right. On the way back, Blackie, just hitting the interstate. You were impressed. That was me being badass on the road and getting around these 4 cars because they were being stupid. We might be encountering some stupidity coming up here, but you know, maybe not. Okay. Oh, this guy behind me. Here's your warning, bro. Get off my cloud. Yeah, what the fuck is your problem, douchebag? Screeching your brakes. I gave you plenty of warning, dummy. Nearly killed me. Uh-huh. We're there, pretty much. I mean, almost. Get this garage door open. We're home, Blackie. We're here. All right, Blackie, you're home. You see? You survived.
So, you have a MySpace page or something?